What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with Modern Pro Polish with the paint correction tip of the day. Always keep a spotlight with you at all times in your vehicle, because when you're out and about, you never know if a client is going to call and need you to come by their house or meet them wherever to inspect their paint to get a quote on a paint correction job. And you never want to go off of a cell phone light or the sunlight, etc., because you could be getting yourself in a deeper situation and not find out about it until you get back to the shop or get the vehicle in the shop and actually put your spotlights on it and see it's more work than you expected. So always keep a pen light with you. This is the Griot's Garage Boss Light, and this is the most true to life lighting that I've used that shows me exactly what's going on with the paint whenever I pop up at a customer's house or at their place of employment to give them a quote for their vehicle. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace. If you guys are looking at learning more about paint correction and taking your craft to another level, turn your system into consistency and join us at the Pro Polishers Academy Crew app, where we're going to have daily chats and we're going to have discussions about your questions and whatever it is that you may have challenges with. The first 100 to enroll will be free. We pay for the system out of pocket, so we are literally paying for you to come in and learn. So don't take it for granted. Get in there. We're going to have question and answers, tips and tricks every day, and we're going to have weekly phone calls. And my good friend Jose Castro from Refined Auto Paint Restoration will be there as well. And this guy's a beast at what he does. He works on six-figure classic cars to six-figure exotic cars, and he knows his stuff. Don't take it for granted. Instagram is cool, but it'll only take you so far. You can get in here in the Crew app and ask us your specific questions, and we'll be happy to help you right away. So let's build a community and see where it takes us. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.